Hello mga guys! So to be honest, ang reaction video na ito ay matagal ko na talagang nakalista or matagal na siya nakalista sa mga to-do ko na dapat gawin ng reaction videos. Kasabayan ito noong senior high ng ABS-CBN. Pero wala akong mahanap na teaser or official trailer ng The Parallel, Under Parallel Sky rather, ng Janela at Win Meta Win. Kasi na-excite ako at nako-curious sa collaboration ng Filipino and Thai actor. And dahil nga 'di ba may mga other collaboration na rin tayo with Thailand, like for example yung kay Erich and also yung kay Mario Maurer, 'di ba? Napaka-hit nung series na 'yon. Pero ayan, na-excite nga ako sa mga collaboration na 'yon. And finally guys, ay nakakita na ako at naglabas na talaga ng official trailer ang Under Parallel Sky starring Win Meta Win and Janela Salvador. And for today's video guys, ay gagawan natin ng reaction video itong official trailer nila. Kaya guys, samahan niyo ako at sama-sama nating panoorin to. Tara, let's go! So, ito na guys, gawa natin na reaction video at panoorin na natin. Under Parallel Sky, Win Meta Win, and syempre si Janela Salvador. Ang taray, Thai ang ano. Okay. File lock. To Infinite Entertainment. Warner Bros.
Oh, what brings you to Hong Kong?
I'm looking for my mom.
Sir, is there anything else I can do for you?
Ang fresh ni ni Win.
I need help in anything.
Wow, bad boy na bad boy ang dating ni Apu.
Hindi mo naman pala kaya. Tsura naman pala si Kuya. I bought you this Thai food from Thai Street in Little Thailand.
Money cannot buy happiness.
Are you enjoying your
His accent, ang sarap sa tenga.
tom yum?
Yes?
I bought
Parang, alam mo, may mga meme or may mga joke, inside joke sa mga BL actors or BL fans rather, na alam mo yung kapag nagsasalita ng English, yung isang Thai actor, parang may mga magko-comment na, "Oh, I love your Thai accent," 'di ba? Even though yung mga actor talaga na yon is a Thai, 'di ba? Yung mga napaka humor ng mga BL fans. Ganun na ganun. And dito, 'di ba, ang sarap din sa pandinig ng accent ni Win sa English language.
What? Your happiness. Your mom is missing.
I really need to find her.
Maybe she doesn't want to be found.
Oh,
Sunrise.
galing nung ano
And sunsets. Sometimes these little
Script.
transitions, these little changes, they define the true meaning of life.
I never thought that you were that smart.
I'm smart, ah.
Yung accent din ni Janela dito, hindi ko lang kung sinasadya or part ayon ng masterpiece na ito, itong piyesang to, or yung, ano ba to, movie pa to or series? Pero ayun, di ba, parang alam na alam mo na Filipino accent yung ginagawa ni Janela dito. Very distinct eh.
Chris, do you miss the Philippines?
I guess it's more of my family that I miss.
Kaya saludo tayo sa lahat ng mga nagsasakripisyo talaga ng mga pamilya natin na nasa abroad. Saludo po kami sa inyo.
On the next level now. Like BFF.
Best friend forever.
Boyfriend forever.
Uy, grabe may pa. Kiss na agad sila dito. Win!
Parent, is it okay if I go to the city tomorrow?
I'll go with you.
Is it okay if I go?
Parang ano siya, no, new generation ng, alam mo yun, ganito yung feeling nung era ng Erich tsaka yung kay Mario Maurer. Parang ganito yung makabagong atake or feeling ng Under Parallel Sky.
I'm just hoping that she mentioned something to you before she left.
So, iniwan na
things
siya.
may come to an end.
Ghoster pala si dito, si Janela.
But new good things
Ang taray naman ng lakas makatito na nasa abroad nitong si Win.
But new good
May
things
pabalbas si Apu
will
natin. Under Parallel Skies.
I cooked adobo for our beach picnic, okay? Here, I can show you. Ay, putang ina mo. It's
Gagi.
Filipino bad word.
Putang ina mo.
Oh my God, tinuruan pa ng bad. Oh, yan na yun. Only in cinemas. Nice. Woo! Love it! Ang pinaka napansin ko dito sa may Under Parallel Skies, yung chemistry ng both actors, Janela and Duwin. Ramdam mo eh. Parang there's something na matagal na silang magkakakilala even though na I don't think so na alam mo yun, close na sila na matagal. Something like that. You know what I'm saying, guys? Parang ganun. Pero dito pinakita nila na different cultures and different nationalities, different language. Hindi siya barrier para magkaroon or makabuo tayo ng long na pagsasamahan or yung mga relationship natin na pangmatagalan, something like that. And ayun, gustong-gusto ko yung actingan at the same time. Alam mo yon yung mga linyahan dito ni na Janela and Uwin. Napaka-natural lang kung umarte na parang you're part of the story kapag napanood mo siya or ito sa may pelikula or series ba to na Under Parallel Skies. Kaya na-excite ako na mapanood to. Hopefully, na hindi to maging, alam mo yun, di ba? Na alam natin na nasanay tayo sa mga BL series ng Brightwing, Together the Series, and Still Together, something like that. And hopefully na bigyan din natin ng chance or pagkakataon itong Under Parallel Sky na maipakita nila yung talent nila na hindi lang sila basta sa... Di ba may nag-ship din kay Darna at kay Valentina and syempre mga Brightwing fans, di ba? Parang pinakita lang nila dito na kahit anong role talaga ay magagawa nila itong i-portray, di ba? And goods, very natural din yung mga actingan nila. And yeah, ramdam mo rin yung pinaghuhugutan ng kwento. Napaka-nice, guys, di ba? Kayo guys, ano ang thoughts nyo kung napanood nyo na tong official trailer ng Under Parallel Skies? Let me know guys sa my comment section. And kung may mga recommendations ka guys that you want me to do a reaction video, don't forget to comment it down guys sa my comment section. Tignan ko nakapatay. And kung may mga suggestions or recommendations ka rin, let me know guys. And kung hindi ka pa rin guys nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. Once again guys, this has been CJ, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Bye-bye guys!